What up, stubborn ones? Hope you're doing amazing. Hope you're out there making it happen and smashing goals. Finally, beautiful southern Florida is back to its usual sunny self. And of course, that means that it's hot as hell out here. And I've been daily driving my 2007 Pontiac G, whatever the hell, the Ugly Duckling. And of course, wouldn't you know it, the AC is not working as it should. And you know your boy cannot have that. Can't be going into work looking like a sweaty ass piggy boy. So today we're gonna show you how to recharge your AC. The instructions are in the back, but I'm gonna explain everything because people don't like to read. And then Home Run Danny is gonna do the work. And if you're new to the channel, this is my 2007 Pontiac G5. I've been daily driving it. It's been giving me a lot of headaches, but Danny's here to solve my issues, I think. Let's see if he can get it open first try. Oh, I think it was already open.
No.
Right under your driver's side, you're gonna have where you pop your hood, click that, come over here, right under the hood, even though your sausage fingers are in the way.
Let's... Oh, it's right here.
There it is.
There we go.
What he did was move this to the side and that unlocks that, which raises the hood. Most vehicles have a stick to prop the hood. This one just uses the shocks. This system recharge is gonna work for all the vehicles that are R134A. If you're not sure, you can always go to your owner's manual. You can also pick these up at your local parts store. I actually picked this one up at Walmart. I went with this one because it seals as well as refill. So to get started, what you want to do is find your lower pressure hose for your AC system. You want to find your line that looks like this, and don't worry about getting it wrong because this will only fit on the low side. It will not fit over the high side, which the high side is usually the bigger one. Most vehicles have an L or an H. This one doesn't, but here's one hose and here is the other. You can't get this wrong because this will only fit on the low side and the high side is usually bigger, so don't worry about which one's which, you'll know. So that's clearly the high side. So when you follow your AC lines, you'll actually see that they reach over here, and here's your other line, which is gonna be your low side. You might not have to do this, but to make it easier to reach down there on this 2007 Pontiac, I'm gonna unscrew this and take off the cover for better access. Put that back so nothing gets in there. As you see here, we have much more visibility here, which is not a good thing.
What happened?
Jeez.
Did Chupacabra come through and eat it?
Oh my God. Whoa.
Did it just dissolve in your hand?
Anyways, we're not here for that. Ignore that happened. Before we connect anything, we're gonna turn the vehicle on and turn the AC on high. Good job, Danny. You're doing great. It's making all that noise, but it's
not doing anything.
Super hot. Let's make sure that this is at its lowest. We're gonna make sure that this, well, that doesn't matter. This is gonna be on high, and we gotta make sure that the AC is actually on. Now we can go connect.
I'll be doing it. Shake it before you make it.
That's inappropriate. You're gonna shake it vigorously, unless that's a bad word. And don't do whatever you just did. You're creeping the subscribers out. To lock it in place, you're gonna lift this little tab and put it on there. Also, as you see back here, this is the pressure. This is how much pressure you want in the system. Right now it's 85 degrees here, of course, even though we're in February, we're in Florida. So I'm gonna put about 45 PSI. This is how you tell where you're at. I'm gonna put it right there in between 40 and 50. After you make sure that it's on there tight, you see, I can't hold it right, but you see I have some on red. No wonder. Sorry for all the engine noise and all the sensory overload. Once you connect it, if you see that it's on red, you should probably stop. You probably have a bigger problem. I'm not surprised. Nothing ever goes right on this freaking car. This is fucking ridiculous. That's not a good sign. All right, guys, so it's a few days later. That video was going sideways.
Yeah.
As you can hear, my little air valve was leaking. So I had my good buddy Brian come out. He fixed the little valve. I guess the car is so old that when we tried to plug this in, the air valve stayed stuck open. So that's why this was going red and not letting me put any air in. You hopefully won't have that problem, but if you do, it's easy. He just came out and switched out the air valve. It's literally just like a tire valve where you plug them in. We switched them out. It let us put in the full can. We put it around 45 because that's what the bottle recommends for the outside temperature that it was. And now, that's much better.
Oh, look at that lizard right there.
That's my little pet right there, Ricardo.
Ricardo?
You got a big old head. Look at that thing. Awesome colors. Ricardo, go inside. It's time for dinner. That's a big difference in the AC, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh my God, before it was so bad that it was better to just walk to work. Big shout out to the homie Brian for coming out and helping your boy, because I was ready to sell this freaking piece of American history. But you never give up. And you hire someone else that knows what to do. Hopefully you guys learned something. If you did, make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell to be part of the Noti Gang. So every time I make a video, new content is out, you don't miss out on goofball shenanigans. If you're new to the channel, this is my 91 Nissan Scleen Jeter. When this channel reaches 1,000 subscribers, the thing's gonna have an major upgrade in horsepower. Smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Peace out. Peace out, Ricardo.